Alright, so today I'm doing a review of these M&M meets herb and garlic sirloin steaks. These are on sale. And here's the nutrient panel. If you want to read it, pause the video. So you'll see there is about 20 grams of protein per steak. But here are the ingredients, right there. You guys can read that, pause the video. So let me show you what they look like. They're pretty small, and they're not that thick, because you have to remember, once you cook this out, the water is going to come out of it as well, so they're actually really tiny. This is my hand right there. They're so tiny. I sort of wish they're bigger, but like I said, they're on sale. So we're going to do a quick taste test. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer, and then I'll do a quick taste test, show you what it's like. Stay tuned, guys. Oh, and to make the perfect steak, it's going to be about, give or take, depending on how big your steak is and how thick it is, generally about like 8 minutes is generally good at 190. Alright guys, as you can see, I made it. It's a perfect medium well, not a medium rare. I think at 7 minutes or 6 minutes you probably get a medium rare, but check it out. It smells really good. It's very tender. Alright, to cut it, let's do a quick taste test. That is a really good steak. Really tender. It's like, it's super flavorful. And so, like, it's really seasoned well, like, throughout the whole piece of meat. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. I have to admit, this is actually really good. Probably one of the best steaks I've tasted.